Today, most travelers still struggle with paper maps, boring guide books, or go through a hassle of renting an audio guide. We have a solution. SmartGuide is an innovative, ready-built personal guide platform. You can use it to digitize tour guides for your customers. Let me show you how it works on a project we did for Deutsche Bahn with the aim to inspire people to take more train trips. Deutsche Bahn customer clicks a link or scans a QR code. If she has not used SmartGuide yet in one of 400 destinations, she will first download the app. Then she is brought right onto a fully customized Deutsche Bahn welcome screen, which includes, for example, a link to buy a ticket. She will choose the destination to visit and choose amongst the offered self-guided tours. She chooses a train tour, puts on her headphones, and her mundane train journey is transformed into an experience with interesting local stories about Frankenstein that play automatically at the right place based on GPS. She arrives at her final destination, Heidelberg, and receives a notification that she can also get smart guided around Heidelberg. SmartGuide detects her phone language as English, so offers the English version by default, but she could also choose a different available language. She can download all the content offline when she is still at the train station Wi-Fi, so she does not need to pay mobile roaming data during the trip. She can check recommended places to visit and bookmark favorites. SmartGuide learns her preferences and over time gives more relevant personalized recommendations. But now she has no time for planning, so she takes a recommended self-guided tour prepared by local guides that take her through the highlights of the city. With routes clearly marked on a map and turn-by-turn navigation, it is easy to follow, and again SmartGuide tells her interesting stories about the places she visits like a live guide.
The longest pedestrian zone in Europe, Heidelberg's Main Street.
And whenever needed, she can take a break and find a café or toilet nearby, either on a map or using the augmented reality view, which can be quite useful in a given situation. When she takes a break, she can book activities and tickets for local events from the convenience of her phone, and get inspired by nearby destinations to visit tomorrow. Or take advantage of the perfectly targeted and timed offers of one of the nearby restaurants or exhibitions.